Went to check in, and it's always nice to check in. So he's hooking us up with a brand new room. We're gonna be like the third people to sleep in it. And it's mermaid theme, but the Little Mermaid's not in it, but the fish are or something. So it's a 5th sleeper, brand new room. I'm really excited. They just remodeled them last week. They got rid of all the pirate rooms. I put stuff into Bell Services, and they said that when the room is ready, because it's really far away, that they will take us in a golf cart. So that's awesome. So the Skyliner is right there, and we are in this cluster called Trinidad. We are at the very end, building 39, and that is Art of Animation right there, and Pop Century, where we just were. That's so funny. We are really at the very ends of the earth here. This is crazy. What is at the end here? Oh, a corner room. I requested ground floor because there is no elevator. What is that over there? 3913. I think we're next. Looks like we have a corner room. Here we are. Landon just wake up, so she's a little disoriented, so I put on Disney Junior for her, but I want to give you a tour. This is a brand new room. Little Mermaid touches and themes. It's so cute. It's like a weird corner room, which I didn't know they had 2 windows. So let me give you a tour. So as you walk in to the left, there is a mirror and a connecting door. Have a couch, and then this is a queen bed that comes down, they said, and it's got the little mermaid fish, a little ottoman to open. Oh, no way! That's so cool. So you can eat there. That's so cool. And then a blanket, which I always ask for an extra blanket. So there you go. Can have some food there. So this is the 5th sleeper, which I always wanted to try for Landon. I actually think it's too high for her, but so sweet. Like, that seems really high if she were to fall. Like, it's not that much lower than that. So I don't think she'll stay in this yet. Unless she wants to. There are plugs up here to charge. That's a nice charging station. That's a good idea. And then all of these drawers. Good night. A 1980s phone. Cute nightstand. Chargers. I love these. These are so nice. Bed is very nice. You can put luggage underneath. This is really nice. Good sized drawers. We're safe. Oh, that's interesting. They have a little spot for the trash, which is rare. Fridge is hidden. Surprised there's no light here. That's such beautiful art. So cute. So cute. Same Cuisinart that was in Pop Century, which was really good. A little table and charging station. I think what I'll do instead of getting a bed rail is just put pillows down. Love this door. So beautiful. And I love this. The floor is gorgeous. Love the tile. Love the design. Like the cane inlay. So pretty. This is very similar to Pop, I would say. Is this a steamer? Yes! You get a steamer. Their steamers are awesome. Another extra pillow and blanket, probably because you have that pull down bed. Oh, it's a cute little trash can. Blow dryer. So what is an owner's locker? I can't reach that, so Okay, this is something different. I missed having lotion. Like, just put lotion in everything, Disney. They didn't have it at Pop, so that's nice. Very nice. What is this? Oh my gosh! For kids! Oh my gosh! How brilliant is that? I love that! Look at the Mickey! That is so cute. Good job, Disney. A weird drawer. I asked for a tub. So happy about that. I don't know if you know this, but kids slip in showers and there's no shaving ledge. I'm glad they're getting rid of these because I found with Pop, you have to like push this and pump it to get some of the stuff out. Beautiful. I'm so happy with this. It's so cute.
What's your plan, Private? The toy building room. Now, if we can get in there, we should be able to find all your replacement parts. Excellent work. Let's move. Thanks. I'll carry you, Commander. Thank you, Doc.
There's one more thing, I don't know what it's called. So there's the USB and then there's the new USB that like my laptop hooks up into and also like phones. I'm sure you know it. Leave a comment below. How beautiful. We can watch the Skyliner go by from our room. I really love this. I don't know if you've gotten that from this video. I really love the Skyliner. It's nice that it swivels. I love watching the Skyliners go by. I wanted to show you how we are at the ends of the earth here. The Pop Century is like right there. I feel so lucky that we got this amazing resort. I love the new rooms. I think they're adorable. We need a million of these in all of the resorts. Such a great idea. We just used it for the first time after she woke up. And a brand new room tour, which I really love. Bye guys. So it looks like all of these are under construction for the mermaid rooms.